Okay folks, so here's the quick and dirty way of getting an engine back into a 6-speed STI. So I had it on the crane, going down. One thing that's amazing is this leveler, load leveler. So bolt on each corner of the manifold's taken away to the engine, bolted down, everything's ready, package engine. What you do is you lower it. You want to keep the engine as close to the forward end here as you can. Drop it straight in. When you get down, get the gearbox threads, the bolts, the bottom two onto the holes, onto the gearbox, and that will align you. And actually your gearbox is sitting up because if you can see down here, it's actually supported by bricks and a transmission stand. And what that's doing is actually lifting the gearbox up this way. So now we'll go under the car, lower it down, and that'll actually bring the bell housing angle down flush with the STI engine, and as it gets close then we can get it bolted up. So I've now removed the jack trolley down to its lowest point down here. It's not taking the weight of the trans. Gearbox is flush. Now we can push the engine up and get the couple of bolts in there to bring it together, and obviously trying to get the spline aligned with the clutch and flywheel spline, everything on the bearing there. We've got our release fork in, greased, the pin is through, and transmission's ready. So you want to have a new bearing obviously in there as well, and the new bearing and everything that comes with the clutch.